Look forward to that, Tom. Thank you. We know the Omicron variant spreads like wildfire. It's evident in our case reports. What we are waiting to see is if it's as destructive as a wildfire. The unprecedented surge in new cases continued today with 1,750 reported. Hard to compare that with last Monday coming right after Christmas, but it is in line with the jump that we started to see 2 weeks ago. Active cases topped 27,000. But Governor Asa Hutchinson and all his public health advisors are closely monitoring the hospital count. Represented in that chart there are 722 patients who tested positive for the coronavirus. What's not known is how many of them are being treated for COVID. For comparison, we are about halfway to the peak number of seriously ill that we saw last summer. While Omicron continues to spread in our state, the Arkansas Blood Institute is expanding its COVID-19 antibody testing that's starting today. It will give blood donors more information about their specific immune response. THV 11's Mercedes McKay explains why this is important for people to know.
The Arkansas Blood Institute started its regular antibody testing back in June of 2020. But now with this new test, it allows donors to understand where their immunity really stands.
This really covers the entire gamut. And so it's really not just focused on whether or not you've had COVID.
A new test for a new year.
We're seeing it across the country, with different testing methods coming out. We just have the opportunity to expand what we've been doing.
Throughout the month of January, ABI Executive Director Mario Sedlock says they'll be able to tell people where their antibodies actually come from, whether it's natural infection or vaccines and booster shots.
There's been so much conversation about boosters and natural immunity. This test gives us a chance to tap into both of those areas.
Sedlock believes this will be a helpful tool for many as worries continue over new variants rapidly spreading.
It really is a great opportunity for somebody like me to be able to go back and say, okay, I've had the vaccine now. Where do I stand? And do I need to consider getting that booster now?
The free test will automatically be done at all donor centers and mobile donation units. Sedlock says it takes about 1 week to get the results.
There's really nothing that the donor has to do other than roll up your sleeve and come in for your appointment. We'll take care of the rest from there.
This new possibility is something Sedlock hopes will help donors make better decisions about their own health.
We've just seen new opportunities to make a difference in saving lives. And I think that's probably been the greatest part of all of this.
The test will be offered from January 3rd through January 31st. In Little Rock, Mercedes McKay, THV 11 News.
Mercedes, thank you. ABI is struggling with their blood supply right now. During the holiday break, they usually lose 25% of their inventory, and Omicron's not helping the situation. You can sign up to donate at arkbi.org.